Record. Okay, so today we're learning about Venn diagrams, and that's all we're going to do today, but it'll be fun. So what are Venn diagrams? Well, I'm sure you've probably seen a Venn diagram. It's like the thing with like circles and overlapping areas. So they represent the intersection and the lack of intersection between two or more groups. So basically, to show you a picture, it's like that. So a little extra icebreaker we're gonna do here. In the chat, or like you can unmute. I actually do it in the chat so I can count. So tell me if you like to talk to your friends face to face, or talk to your friends through text, or you like to do both, or you don't like to do either. Okay, so write your answer in the chat. Okay, and I will, once you guys are giving me the answers, fill out our little Venn diagram. Okay, so I see 1, 2, 3, 4 both. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of not visible, but it's okay. What if you don't have friends? Well, you can make friends right now in Mathema.
Make it once.
Face to face, you never really use text. Huh, okay. 1, 2. Face to face, but with masks. Okay, face to face. Okay, so nobody likes to just text. Is that everybody that answered? Who's in here? Let's see, one. I feel like some people haven't answered yet, you know? You have to participate, guys. This is participation heavy class. I'm gonna add my own tally on there. I think, oh, somebody just wrote on there. Okay. I think I like both, honestly. I don't really care. It's more like fun to talk in person, but I also text a lot because you can't always just like meet up with your friends, you know? Okay, so I don't know how to make this so that you guys can't write on this, so I'm just gonna trust you to not write anything weird, okay? Hopefully I can trust you because you guys are 7th graders, you know? So now we're gonna do a little activity. So this document, I'm gonna put this in the chat. And basically it has like 5 slides on it. Once you go in there, it'll look like this. And you're going to move these little thingies and sort the shapes. So first, to give you like an example, go away. Okay. Oh, driving test place. What are you, like a 7th grader? You can't get your permit right now. You can't open slides. That's okay. You can just watch me for now then. But everybody else go and make a copy, and I'll do slide 1 for you. So sort the shapes. Okay, pretty simple. One side is shapes with stripes. The other is shapes that contain purple. So for example, this first circle is purple and it has stripes, so it goes in the middle. Wait, do we have to do number 1? Yeah, you have to do all of them. Oh, whoops, that was not intentional. Yeah, just do like all the slides, but I'm just showing you the first one as example. This one is orange and purple and has stripes, so it also goes in the middle. This one does not have purple but has stripes, so it goes over there. This doesn't have either, so it goes on the outside. This has purple, so it goes here. Stripes and purple goes in the middle, blah, 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 blah. So just sort all of them in the Venn diagram. And if you have any questions, unmute and tell me, okay? I'm gonna give you guys until like, I don't know, type done in the chat when you're done, okay? Or when you get stuck, either one. Wait, you can't move one. Like you can't move anything or just like one specific slide? You can't move one of the shapes. Oh, well, if you can move everything else, just don't worry about that one shape. I guess that shape just doesn't want to move, you know? Just leave it alone. It's okay. Just do everything else.
If it doesn't match either of them, do we just not put them in?
So if it doesn't go into either of the categories, what you do is, you know how there's like a box around it?
Yeah.
You
Oh,
put
okay.
it inside the box, but outside of the circles. Yeah, that's a good question. I didn't know that at first either. I think you might be talking about this one. It looks pink, red. So no, I want to say it's pink, but like the other one. Which other one? Oh, this one? This one? Yes? No? Yes? Okay. I guess it's purple. I don't know. Um, if you can't tell a color, you know, just try your best. Like, I'm not gonna grade you guys and like give you points or something. It's just for practice. So if it's a little confusing at like right now, it's okay. Um, I think it's because like if you start like moving it again, the whole thing moves, which is kind of annoying. I get it, but um, I think what you can do is so once you click on it, the whole thing like gets selected, right? Like you can see my screen. So right click on it and then order send to back. And then all your other shapes should be on top instead. And then here, the same thing for the rectangle. So send to back. And now you should be able to move it. I don't know if that made any sense. Did you guys get that? Yes, I'm gonna assume both of the Daniels got that. And that goes for everybody else too. Like it's a little wonky, but just bear with it for a little bit. Okay, so I see one person done. Nice. Is your name like Voss or Vos? Is it Voss?
I don't like this. This is taking forever. It's like it's just dragging. It's not really skill.
I know. I'm gonna cut it off in a little bit. First one. I said Voss first, right? Yes, I think so. Okay, that's a cool name. I will give you like until 7:20, so one more minute, and I will end your labor and pain because I think all of you guys are capable of doing this. I think. or I want to hope at least. If not, I will teach you, so it'll be all good. You can do this, but you can't drag. That's okay. We're not learning how to drag today. We're learning about Venn diagrams, so you're all good. Done. Okay, nice. Alrighty, it is 7:20, so I think we can move on. To those of you that already finished, good job. I don't know if I would finish that fast either. Like, this is a lot of shapes to move. But to those of you who did not finish, that's also perfectly fine. And I'll just, go over it a little more. So going back to the slides. Okay. I'm just gonna show you like 2 of the slides as an example of how to do it, just to make sure everybody is on the same page. I know this might be a little bit like boring right now, but it'll definitely pay off later when we get to harder problems. So let's see, how am I gonna do this? Because I can't really move this. Okay, well, I'm gonna label them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm just going to do these 8 because there's way too many shapes. So number 1, it is purple and has stripes, so it goes in the middle. You cannot see that color, can you? Are you going to go with this color? Okay. Number 2 is purple and has stripes. Again, it goes right here. Number 3 has stripes, but is not purple, so it goes here. Number 4 is not purple and does not have stripes. So number 4 sadly does not go in any of the circles. It's excluded. Sorry, number 4. Number 5 has purple, but it does not have stripes. So it's going to be going in this green circle. Number 6 does not contain purple, but it does have stripes. So it goes right here. Number 7 has purple. I'm just going to assume that's purple, and it has stripes, so it goes right here. Number 8 does not have stripes, does not have purple, so it's going to be going next to its friend, number 4. Alrighty, and then next one I want to do is one that has 3. Here we go. Problem number 1, I guess. I don't know why it's number 1. So I'm going to label again. This time I think I'm going to do all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoops, ignore the barking. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Wait, can you guys hear the barking in the background or no? Yes?
Yeah.
No? Okay, just ignore it, guys. Sorry. It's loud. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I think the dog is just like barking at somebody walking by. So hopefully Cookie will stop barking. Anyways, number 1 is does not have 4 sides. So it's not a polygon with equal side lengths. And it does not contain red. So starting with number 1, it's not going to belong. I'm sorry, number 1. Number 2 does not have red, does not have 4 sides, does not have equal side lengths. Sorry, number 2. Number 3, yay, it has red, but it's a circle, so it doesn't go in here. So number 3 goes here. 4, nothing. Bye. 5, also nothing. Sorry. 6, also nothing. Okay, these are kind of sad. 7, sorry. 8, yay, it has red. All right, 9 does not have 4 sides, but it is a polygon with equal side lengths. We're just gonna assume these are equal, So it goes right here. 10 does not have 4 sides, does not have red, but it does have equal side lengths. Same for 11. Number 12 has 4 sides, does have red, and it has equal side lengths. So yay, it goes right here. Number 13 has 4 sides, has equal side lengths, but it does not contain red. So it goes in this part, which is like an intersection between this circle and this circle, but not the one that goes in between all of the circles. You know, it's like the little football shaped intersection. And then number 14, it has red, it has 4 sides, it has equal side lengths, so it's going to join number 12 in the middle. 15 has red, has 4 sides, but it does not have equal side lengths, so it goes right here. 16 has 4 sides, but no red, not equal sides. 17, same for that. 18 has red, 4 sides, but not equal sides. Okay, so does everybody understand that? Any questions about what we just did? If you don't have questions, just so I know you're like good, type in the chat or like say like, oh, I'm doing good, I understand everything. This is super fun, I love math. No questions. All right. You guys are just extra smart. Okay. So, woo, math, woo, thank you. Thank you, boss, for taking up my suggestion to love math. Okay. So now we're just going to go over a little terminology. I personally don't think you really need to know this that much because, like, you know, this isn't something you'll really use every day. But just go over really quickly, the union of x and y would be just like all the intersections and the like alone parts, I guess. Intersection is the part that, well, overlaps. What did I say? Complement is just like the opposite side, since x is over here. Mutually exclusive means that the intersection, the overlap, has nothing in it. So basically they don't overlap. Okay, so now let's do a little vote. So I want to see, because like when we did Mathema in the past sessions, I don't know if you guys really enjoyed Desmos that much. So I want to ask if you guys want to do Desmos or just keep like going through the slides really fast and then go to Kahoot.
Keep going through the slides really fast.
Okay, that's what I thought. Slides. You can't open anything on your phone. All right, another vote for slides. Okay. Anybody like it dying to do Desmos? You know, Daniel over here is dying to not do Desmos. Alrighty. So nobody's saying anything. Desmos. Oh, you don't know what it is. Okay, it's the battle of the Daniels. One Daniel wants to do it, the other Daniel does not want to do it. Okay, and then there's one person that is just confused on what Desmos is. Well, Desmos is like basically you get to draw on it. I think it's personally very cool, but yeah. Okay, should we do it or no? I'm just gonna call in a random person and then they're gonna decide for all of us. Okay. Somebody that has not talked. Okay, I'm gonna call out Trey. Do you want to do Desmos or no slides?
I don't actually know what Desmos is, so I really don't care.
Oh no, that's not a helpful answer, but honest answer. I like that. All right, next person to pick on. Call on. I'm gonna call on. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if this is. I'm like saying this right. Correct me if I'm wrong. Prathiva, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd rather not.
Rather not. What? Rather not do Desmos?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay, we will explore what Desmos is next time. Today we're just gonna go through the slides. Daniel number 1 is happy. I think Daniel Z is not happy, but it's okay. Sorry, Daniel Z. Okay. Whoops. So, what time is it? 7:29. Okay. I'm gonna do this until 7:45 or 40. if you guys are like extra smart and you're super fast. And then we're gonna do the Kahoot. So this question should be like really simple. Okay, number one. In my book collection, 7 books are solely fantasy and 3 are solely sci-fi. If 10 of my books are both and I own 23 books total, draw a Venn diagram for my book collection. So before you guys do this, I have a question. When I like go here, can everybody draw on the screen? Like, can you try to draw on here? Like, I know I saw somebody doing it. Yeah, okay. Is everybody able to draw? Or is it just one person? Alrighty, so I'm gonna assume everyone's gonna be able to draw. Except a couple of people that, how are you guys doing this? Somebody unmute, explain for us.
Wait, where are the slides?
Huh? Like, I think if you just like look at my, like the thing I'm sharing and you just like try to draw on it, it should work. Can somebody explain? I don't.
Really?
Yeah, does not work, Colin.
I don't think so.
Okay.
You have to click the view options on the top of the screen and then click annotate.
Can you do it now?
Yes.
Okay, great. So click view options and take. All right, we're gonna clear all drawings for now. So stop drawing. But somebody, oh, you guys don't have it? Okay, then I will draw for you. So do this problem first, and then once you like know how to do it, don't do it right now. No, I'm gonna call on you. Go away, stop it. I'm gonna trust you to not draw on it until I call on you, okay? So right, like speak up like, oh, I want to do it. Or like, type in the chat like, oh, I want to answer it. And then you get the right to draw my slides, Oh, very nice. I don't know who did that. Goodbye. Okay. So anybody want to, oh, okay, before I even could say it, alrighty. Boss, please draw and fill out and then tell us the answer. Oh, wait, that is the answer, drawing. Never mind. So yeah, fill it out for us. Okay, nice. Okay, very nice again. All right. And then one more thing. What goes on the outside? Yeah, very nice. This is very good. So basically, we knew that 3 just sci-fi, 10 both, 7 fantasy, and the last step you had to do is there's 23 books total, but we only have 7 plus 3 plus 10, which is 20 on here. So the last 3 books are neither sci-fi nor fantasy, so they get to not be in the circles, just on the outside. Yeah, thanks, Foss. That was very nice. Okay, and then next one. I don't think we need to do the example. I think you guys got it. Okay. Oh, whoops. Back. Okay. I have 17 friends, guys. I'm like extremely popular, So I have 17 friends, 4 like green and blue. Thanks. While 3 like neither. And if an equal number of my friends like blue and green, how many of my friends like green? And our friendly hint here, I don't know if you guys can see this, says, I'm not asking how many of my friends only like green. They can like green and blue. So somebody like think about it, fill this out in your head mentally, or get a piece of paper and draw the little Venn diagram. And then once you feel like you can fill out the Venn diagram and know the answer, then speak up and you get to fill it out for us. Yeah, this is just to trip you up a little, Or maybe somebody is colorblind and you can't tell apart like red and green and stuff, so yeah. Okay, and this time it cannot be Voss, so it has to be somebody else. But if you know the answer, then you should just like type it to me too if you know it. Okay, Your name is very long, so I don't know how to say it, but I'm gonna attempt. Is that all like your first name, or is it like your first and last name like smushed together? That's not your name? Oh, what's your name then? Oh, okay. Mystery person. What is your actual name? Oh, okay. Is it Saloni? Am I saying it right? Yay. Okay, nice. All right, go ahead. Fill it out for us. Daniel, you're not supposed to review the answer right now. Be quiet, okay? I know you know it, but you can do the next one. Right now, if Saloni is able to edit, draw on my slide. Yeah, okay. Can you draw? Is it letting you? Nope. Oh, that's kind of sad. Can you unmute then? Just like say it and then like I'll write it, you know. We'll work together. Oh, I can pick someone S also. Okay, somebody S also. Daniel, you wanna do it for us? No? What? That's so mean. I'm gonna cry. Okay. Oh, both the Daniels are rejecting me. That's not nice. Okay. Yay. Your name's Japji, right? I think I heard you last year.
Yeah, I can do it. So
Yay.
there are 4 that like both green and blue.
Mhm.
And it says a 3 like neither of them. So that's 7, and there are 17 friends. And then the people who like green and blue are the same. So 17 minus 7 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is just 5. So that means there are 5 people in each of these categories. And then the people who like green would be the 5 plus the 4, which is 9.
Yeah, that was such a perfect explanation and the right answer. Guys, don't bully Daniel. He says he's extra smart. We'll see if he's actually extra smart. We're gonna make him do the very last question to see if he belongs in the 7th grade class. Okay? Daniel Radcliffe. So we have Harry Potter here with us today. Anyways, thank you. That was great. Okay. Oh, also, I'm not gonna like keep asking, but if you have questions at any point, do not be afraid to speak up, okay? If you ask a question, you're gonna be like my favorite student, so speak up. Number 3, in my class, so this is another class that isn't new. This class, all the kids like me, you know? So 20 kids are tall, while 13 kids have brown hair. If 6 kids are both tall and have brown hair, and there are 35 kids in my class, draw a Venn diagram for the class. Okay, fairly simple, I want to say. Except this one, you have to think a little more. Okay, Shrey Diamond, yes. Would you like to do it first?
What would tall?
Wait, what did you say?
What would you consider tall?
What would I consider tall? Let's see. First, I think anybody that is more than 3 inches taller than me is tall. And then anybody that is not more than 3 inches taller than me is not tall.
Okay.
But for my class, since they're like younger than me, if they're over 5 foot, I think they're like crazy tall. So rude. You got the answer correct. Who's drawing? Oh, Shrey. Okay.
Wait.
You're 5'5". I'm 5'5". That's kind of sad.
I don't get this question
Yes.
because there are 35 kids
Mhm.
and 20 kids. Oh, I get it. Okay.
Yeah, okay. I think you get it before I had to even explain it, but that is the trick, like the trap you can fall into with this question. I think that's an average height for 6th grade, guys. I'm not sure though. I don't remember how tall I was in 6th grade actually.
Wait, so do all of the kids in the class either are tall or either have brown hair?
That's like kind of part of the question, but so Shrey, did you figure it out or should we go through it together?
Could we go through it?
Yeah, you're good, totally fine. Okay, so the thing Shrey first did was like put 6 in the middle and then 20 here and 13 here. And that's like probably what most people would do if you haven't worked with Venn diagrams before a lot, but that's like the trick of the question. So it says that 20 kids are tall while 13 kids have brown hair, but it didn't say that that 20 kids are just only tall. So, and then 13 kids only have brown hair. So the 20 and 13 include the kids that are in the middle that are both tall and have brown hair. So now, since 20 kids are tall and 6 of them are in this like middle overlap where they have both like brown hair and they're tall, there's only 14 kids who are just tall. So they don't have brown hair, but they're tall. But then in like total, there's 20 kids that are tall. 6 of them have brown hair, 14 of them don't. Did that make sense? Yes, no, maybe. Okay. And then same for this side. So 13 kids have brown hair, but 6 of them are already in this like intersection. So we have 7 kids that are just like brunette, I guess, since 6 of them are both tall and have brown hair. So now when we add them all together, 14 plus 6 plus 7 is 27. 27, and there's 35 kids total. So where are the missing 8 kids? Well, the 8 missing kids are still in the class, but they're on the outside because they're not tall, they're short, and they don't have brown hair. So maybe they're like, I don't know, blonde or like have blue hair or something. So yeah, that would be the correct Venn diagram. A little more tricky this time. Any questions? No? Okay. So let's do another little fast vote since it is 7:42. I know there's a Kahoot, so let's see if we want to do the Kahoot or just finish going through the problems and go to like the hard problems. Okay. Oh no, normal chair, that's kind of sad. Kahoot, 1 vote for Kahoot, 2 votes for Kahoot. More votes for Kahoot? Oh, very aggressive vote for Kahoot. Okay. Unrelated comment. Kahoot.
What's Kahoot?
What's Kahoot? You know.
No, I mean like what do you do for Kahoot and what's the other one?
Oh, okay. So Kahoot, well, we're just gonna do the Kahoot. And then the other option is, you guys said this is kind of easy. We're gonna go to like harder problems, you know, challenging problems that make sure.
Oh, okay, Kahoot.
Okay, alrighty. I guess you guys are too smart, maybe. I don't know. Oh, well, this is interesting. I think we're gonna do 1 hard problem, even though we're gonna do the Kahoot. Because if we didn't do all the hard problems, that would be kind of sad. Okay, so basically, we're gonna do this problem because in my opinion, out of difficult problem 5 and difficult problem 6, this one is a little more easy. So it's less algebra, unless you guys want to do a lot of algebra. Do you guys want to do a lot of algebra? Yes, no? Algebra. Oh, okay. You want to do algebra. Should we do algebra? Yes? Alrighty, okay. Let's do the algebra then. Go back. So this question, I might need some like space for this. You guys are just quirky like that. That's interesting. Okay, so Jeremy made a Venn diagram showing the number of students in his class who own types of pets. There are 32 students in his class. In addition to the information in the Venn diagram, Jeremy knows that half of the students have a dog, 3/8 have a cat, 6 have some other pet, and 5 have no pet at all. So how many students have all 3 types of pets? Okay, so I'm going to let you guys like attempt this problem. If you can do this, I will be insanely impressed. I'm going to give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes should be a doable time for this if you know how to do it. And once you know it, you should type it in the chat, but DM me, like direct message. So when you click like 2 and then do the drop down, you can click my name instead of everyone in the meeting. And I will tell you if you are right or not so that you can reattempt if needed. No. Okay.
Why did you put 2 for other pets and it says 6 in the text?
Let's see. Oh, so basically the 2 is like people who only have other pets. 6 would be like the W plus Z plus Y plus 2. So all of these intersections like in this entire circle would equal 6. Yeah, that's a good question.
It's awfully silent.
Yes, it's for people to focus, you know. Oh, it's 7:48. Okay. So I don't think anybody got it. I'm gonna break the silence now. Okay, so I think that might have not been enough time, but since we all wanted to do Kahoot, I will explain this question. Except I don't know where I'm gonna do it because there's not a lot of space. So I'm gonna need to write a little small. So you know, hopefully you guys can read this. If not, go get glasses. Okay. It is not 3. So okay, basically, how are you supposed to do this? Like what? This is so much information. But basically what you do is turn this word problem that has way too many words into equations. And what we know is that there's these 4 variables and the one we're trying to find is Z, right? Yeah. How many students have all 3 types of pets? Yes, so what we're trying to find is Z. Okay, so first, let's look at the first one. The first little bit of information. So Jeremy knows that half of these students have a dog. Okay, very nice. Lots of people like dogs. So 10. So the people that have dogs are everybody that's in this like pink circle. So 10 plus x plus z plus y equals what was it? Since there's 32 kids total, half of it, that's 16. Okay, I'm writing way too slow. I'm gonna try to do a touch screen. Next piece of information. 3/8 have a cat. Okay, Jeremy knows quite a lot of information. So 3/8 have a cat. So that'll be 9 plus, what is that? X plus C plus W equals 3/8 of 32. What's 3/8 of 32? Quick math. Go, 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 go. What is it? What is it?
12.
Nice. Okay, next information. Oh, I see some right answers in the chat. Okay. 6 have some other pet already. So this is the thing Colin was asking about. 2 plus W plus Z plus Y. To answer your question, Daniel, maybe, is 6. And last information piece thing. 5 have no pet at all. Sad people like me. And that for that we can have 5 right here. And then that means when we add basically when we add all of this, it'll equal 32. So this is gonna be kind of long. 9 plus 2 plus 10. Oh, oops, that's kind of ugly. Plus, that looks like 16, but it's 10. Plus X plus W plus Z plus Y equals 32. Wait, I forgot the 5. 5 plus. Alrighty. Hopefully this is like semi-legible. Sorry guys, I don't have a little writing pad thing. Maybe I should invest in one. Anyways, so now basically, so I don't know if you guys have already learned this, but if you have 4 variables, you need 4 equations to solve it usually. So I'm gonna like combine some equations and make this into 3 equations instead of 4. So for the first two equations, I'm going to subtract the blue one from the pink one. So 10 minus 9, that's 1. X minus X, that's nothing. Z minus Z, also nothing. Y minus W plus Y minus W. 16 minus 2 is 4. Already, second one. This time I'm going to do these two. Okay, let's subtract the orange one from the blue one this time. 9 minus 2, that's, oh, whoops, go away. 9 minus 2, that's 7. Z minus Z is 0, W minus W is 0, X minus Y is plus X minus Y. 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay, and what are we doing here? Okay, the last one, I think I just left it as is, or no. No, I think I did it with another one of these. Okay, so now let's do these two, I guess. Doesn't really matter because this one has all 4 variables. So if I subtract the orange one from the green one, all the variables cancel out instead of the X. So 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 16 is, let's see, 14, 16, 32. Plus all this. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, 30 plus X equals 30. No, that is not true. This is so messy. I can't even tell what I'm doing. Hold up. Let me backtrack a little and see what I did.
This is even too hard for the teachers.
No, like I literally can't see what I wrote. So, okay, let me look at what I did last time.
Is it the handwriting?
Yes. I
Okay.
think my handwriting just sucks, guys. Don't be like me.
It's probably because of the mouse.
Yeah, I know. What did I do? Oh, I know what I did. Okay. Basically, I'm just gonna Control Z like a lot. Okay. So now I am going to make one of them something. So basically I'm going to turn this orange equation so that I'm going to move the 2 to the other side. So w plus z plus y now is 4 instead. So now I'm going to put this into the green equation. So now I have, what was that? 18 plus 5 is 23 plus 9 is 32. 32 plus x equals, wait, no, 32 plus x plus 4 equals 32. That seems not correct. I'm so confused. What? How did I get it right last time? Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing right now, if you can't tell. Does anybody see what I did wrong? Did I mess up somewhere? Like what's like adding or something? Oh, I see what I did. Okay, it's my stupid handwriting. So right here, I thought that was 16. That's actually 10, guys. My bad. So 10 plus 2 plus 9 plus 5 is 12, 21, 26. All right, I lied. That was not 32. That was 26.
Impressive.
This is why I need to be neater and get like a different thing to write with, because that was really sad. Okay, 26 plus 4 plus x is 32. That makes sense. Okay, x is 2. Yay, that's nice. Okay, go back to this equation right here. Let's put in x as 2. So 9 minus y is 6. So y must be 3. Y is 3. Go back to the brown equation. 1 plus 3 is 4. W, you're 0. That's kind of sad. And finally, z. Let's go back to this very top purple. Pink one. You're right. That took longer than expected because I thought that was 16 for so long. X is what? 2. Y is 3. Z is the thing we need to know. 5 plus 10 is 15. So 15 plus 1 is 16. Z is 1. That took too long. Okay, you read 35 instead of 32. Yeah, that sounds like a me problem. I did that too on accident. Okay, so Daniel, good job. You got it right. I think you're the only person that got it right, I think. Or no, I think that was a lie. Voss made multiple guesses and the last one was 1. So good job, both of you guys. Yes, you got it right after a little bit. Sorry for taking so long. That was really sad. That really looks like a 16, not a 10. Okay, well, but that was probably really confusing. Did you guys understand that? Yes, no, maybe? Yes, Daniel says yes, but Daniel, you already got the right answer. No, yes. Okay, if you didn't understand, okay, wait, first thing, do you guys want to like stay behind and like go through Kahoot really fast? Because I know I said we would do it, but like it's already 7:58. You got the answer the wrong way. Okay, that's probably not good. So if you have to go, yeah, you can go right now. And if you didn't understand, if you want, you can stay behind and I can explain it again. Hopefully a little more neatly this time. But yeah, you guys can go if you need to. Okay, you can go, Daniel, because you got it. I think you guys did pretty well, except for the confusing last question. But yeah. Bye, guys. And does anybody want me to go over it again? Speak up now if you do. If not, forever hold your silence, I guess. There's people that are just sitting there staring at me. What does this mean? You want to see it or no? Somebody answer. Can we please do Kahoot? Oh, sure. Who wants to do Kahoot? Who else wants to do Kahoot? Okay, I see somebody raising their hand. Alrighty, let's do a little small group Kahoot. Okay. I think this, oh whoops. This is a harder Kahoot. Let me see how hard this is. But I think you guys can see this. This is kind of long and it has so much vocab. I don't like it. Do this easy Kahoot. Let's see. Huh, this seems really short and easy already. Let's do this. Okay. Go away. Ah, play as guest. There you go. Continue as guest. Got it. Classic. Why no music? Oh, yes, music. Okay, join really fast. Waiting for players. I don't know if the person with the house wants to play or not. Do you want to play? Hello, Mr. House Person. Or maybe Miss, I'm not sure. Okay, you know what? Let's just play. I'm ready. Oh, I can't see. Oh, let's go. This is a challenge to see if you can beat the teacher. Okay, except the teacher can't read. I cannot see the answers. Oh, yeah, we didn't really go over this. That's kind of unfair. Basically, when it's both, it's or. What is this? Yeah, so that was all apples. Oh no, I think I clicked the wrong one. Whoops. This one is tricky. Nice. Oh no, breakout rooms will close in 5 seconds. Hurry, last one. Go, 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 go. Just click anything. How do I end my recording?